With this video, I want to introduce the section of this course that's going to focus on getting .gov backlinks. And the .gov are the most rare and difficult backlinks to get. Most companies don't even try to get them. But when you do get them, they are extremely authoritative and they're extremely rare. And for that reason, they really boost your SEO. And your competitors, they're not going to be able to get them. But using the strategies that I'm going to show you, you're going to get a real shot at getting these links. Now, these links are only links. These are sites that US government organizations use, legitimate organizations use. It's relatively hard to get a .gov URL. It's not like the website owners of these sites can fake it. They're all legitimate sites. And if you are an international business, you can still get links from such sites in two ways. Number one, there are US government sites that have to do with international businesses. You can look up those and you can see how to rank, how to get them to link to you, or whatever country you are in. Surely there are government organizations that maybe don't have .gov URLs, but are still equally authoritative. And you can try to use the strategies that I show you in this course on the government websites that are existing in whatever country you are in. So get ready. We're going to go over strategies for how to get some really awesome and rare and helpful SEO links.